Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Khadar Basha. So far we have completed 13 modules successfully. Now we are going to discuss a module 14 portfolio activity, that is initiatives in school education. Before going to start our today's session, I request those who have not subscribed my channel, please go for subscribing my channel. If you like my video, then please press the like button and share my videos as much as you can. Thank you very much friends who are watching my video. So without wasting your valuable time, let's get started. Portfolio activity, challenges and solutions. Write down the present key challenges in implementation of these initiatives along with possible solutions. While preparing portfolio activity, we have to notice present key challenges and write possible solutions for that. Preschool education. Samagra Shiksha recognizes the importance of preschool education as a critical component of the existing Padhe Bharat Badhe Bharat program that focuses on foundational learning of early language literacy and early numeracy in early grades of primary school. Samagra Shiksha supports the efforts of the state governments in providing preschool education by assisting co-location of Anganwadis in primary schools. As we all know that preschool program is of 2 years duration and is for children in the age group of 4 to 6 years. The scheme lays down guidelines for safe and secure infrastructure, including sanitation facilities, development of appropriate curriculum, learning activities, pedagogical practices and assessment, professional development of teachers and community participation and engagement. Let us discuss problems which are being faced in implementation of preschool education. Quality education is not being provided to the children. Majority of Anganwadi workers face problems in organizing PSE activities, means preschool education activities. About 63.33% of them receive no help from supervisors to plan or execute PSE activities. AVV means Anganwadi workers don't take enough interest in their job related responsibilities due to lack of skills and formal training in early childhood development. Solutions. Preschools should be attached to primary schools. One trained teacher has to be appointed to each preschool. Supervision must be done by higher authorities. More care should be taken over physical and mental growth of the children. Why? Because rapid physical growth, cognitive and psychosocial development will be happen at the first 6 years of child's life. So more care should be taken. Midday meal scheme. Andhra Pradesh midday meal program is availed by 82% of children as per the Ministry of Human Resource Development data. The state began the midday meal scheme in 2003 to 2004, where rice or sambar was served to the students with 1 egg in a week. Until now, Andhra Pradesh was providing eggs or bananas to the children twice a week using the state's own resources. In a bid to provide these 82% children maximum nutrition via good and hygienic food, AP Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy sir announced an upgrade for the midday meal scheme. The upgraded midday meal scheme was already implemented in all government schools of Andhra Pradesh, include a brand new name Jagananna Gorumudda. Now we discuss problems in implementing midday meal scheme. Corruption, misuse of power and mismanagement of funding and poor quality. Solutions. Social audit has to be conducted. Regular supervision has to be maintained by higher authorities. Improve the quality of food which consists of proteins and vitamins. Since the government of AP implemented Jagananna Gorumudda scheme, it improved quality of food which consists of proteins and vitamins. And recently the government of AP has initiated social audit on midday meal schemes. Talking about quality food, as per the new menu, students are to be served pulihora, tomato dal along with chikki for 3 days and eggs for 5 days, which are known to be rich in nutrients, proteins and iron. The government of AP has recently provided a school kit to every student who are studying in government school as a name of Jagannath Vidya Kanuka. As per the scheme, every student will get a school bag, textbooks, notebooks, 3 pair of uniforms, belt, shoes with 2 pair of socks and a belt, and all these will be provided free of cost. And money will be paid by the government of Andhra Pradesh for stitching uniforms also. Let us talk about problems. A delay in distribution of textbooks. This is the major problem that is being faced by teachers as well as students. Textbooks are not being reached to the students in time. So it should be pre-planned to deliver the textbooks in the month of April or May itself. Solutions. Proper planning is needed to provide textbooks in time. Cost of stitching uniform should be increased. Distribution of uniforms and textbooks should be in transparent way. School safety. Children have the right to live with dignity and have access to education in an environment that is safe, protective, and conducive to growth and development. School safety and security has to be seen from a broader perspective. School safety is the concept which should be given the first priority. Let us discuss problems. Physical violence, sexual, psychological, and emotional violence, and even leading to death in extreme cases. Solutions. Proper counseling should be needed to the students. Teachers have to be given orientation on counseling. Provisions of school safety guidelines, helpline and emergency number. Drop box for complaints. Library grant. Padhe Bharat, Badhe Bharat. The National Achievement Survey 2017 has revealed that reading books improve the achievement of children. In order to complement the activities under Padhe Bharat, Badhe Bharat and inculcate the reading habits among students, the school libraries are being strengthened through library grants for government schools. The schools are provided annual library grants in the range of 5,000 to 20,000 from primary to senior secondary level schools. It depends on the level and kind of school. The process of reading from early grade to higher secondary levels requires continuous practice. So, libraries are supported for updating with additional of books, journals, magazines and other reading material from time to time. Problems. Showing less attention towards reading books. Yes, as the technology is being developed day by day, the habit of reading, it may be books or newspapers, are going to be decreased every day. Solutions. Make an awareness on benefits of reading among students. Maintaining transparency in utilizing library grants. Sports grants. Khele India or Khile India. A daily article in the newspaper is showing that many children are died in the water ponds without having essential sports knowledge of swimming event. The modern food habit of pizza, burger and snacks by the effect of this obesity on children is becoming most problematic to a wealthy nation. So we can say the future of nation depends on present children lifestyle. Problems. Lack of sports promotion policies. There is a necessity of sports promotion policies in the state so that parents will get educated about the benefits of sports and games. Next, lack of awareness on sports. Solutions. Students and parents are engaged to sports activities in their children's curriculum of education. Need to focus playgrounds in the school so that fitness facilities to the students are being developed by playground. Allowing students in sports and games so that latest problem of obesity can be reduced. making the students to participate in sports activity competition so that non-physical sports activities like video games and electronic games can be controlled. Unity of national value increased by participating in sports activity competition. Developing the mental strength capability of the students and escape from student stress life. Make the students to participate in self-motivation activities. Safety and security in the school in view of COVID-19 problems. Lack of internet facilities in remote areas. Lack of knowledge in operating internet activities. Solutions. Make availability of internet in remote and rural areas. Training should be provided to the teachers on operating internet. Teachers have to engage with online training classes. Use of e-learning like Diksha, e-Pathshala, Swayam Prabha, etc. will be promoted among teachers and students. We are all experiencing with online training classes since the COVID-19 is existed in India, and we are also using Diksha app. So friends, we have discussed problems and solutions of initiatives being implemented in our state. This video will be helpful for you. If you like the video, then please press the like button, and those who have not subscribed my channel, please go for subscribing my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos on your YouTube channel. Friends, keep watching my videos and keep sharing my videos as much as you can. Thank you.